Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you one of the kits that are going to go up for this weekend, for International Scrapbooking Weekend. It's going to be on Sunday. That's when the sale is going on. But let me show you what we have here. So I'm very excited about this one. Like super excited about this one. So let's get all of this stuff over and show you what it is based on. It is based on the 49 in Market Starlight Dreams. This is the Solids collection pack. So beautiful, these beautiful colors, the blues, the yellows, like look at this paper. It is gorgeous, okay? Also comes with the laser cut elements, which are beautiful as well. Feathers and dream catchers and leaves and clocks and arrows and butterflies, but we won't talk about those too much. Also has the die cut elements, lots of stars, frames, nice golden colors here. The word pack, I love. It's 65 words. These things are my favorite from 49 in Market. I love the word packs because they have small word phrases, they have big word phrases, they have different fonts. Like, look at that. It's awesome. So really excited about that. We got some additional papers, right? These are for one side or another, right? We've got these. We got two of these are from Where the Wild Things Are, but this star paper with this kind of textured background. We also have this one. You could use this side with it, but I am thinking about this side for it. And then we also have this Vicky Boutin Storyteller. You could use this side with it, but again, I'm thinking like the feathers, right? You're gonna get a bunch of tags, and then you're gonna get these guys, which I don't know if you guys have seen me use these before, but you're gonna get these self-adhesive flowers from Little Birdie. When you tuck these under the flowers, they just add this little bit of goodness. These are gold acrylic that was cut with the scrapping reflections. We got some wooden feathers also cut by scrapping reflections. We got these flowers, which I think are tremendous. Got some little crafty envelopes. You guys know I love using envelopes. Got some twine. We've got these little gold feather charms. We got some gold stars. I have some chipboard bits. So this clock one and this gate one. We've also got these frames. So these are black and white frames and gold and white frames. There's 12 frames in a pack. Got some of this little bit of ribbon. Got some puffy title words here. A couple little tassels. And then we also have these guys. You're gonna get a little assortment of little clock thingies, if I can get the little plastic open. So an assortment of these guys that kind of match the vibe and the starry vibe and things. So there's a bunch of those in there. So, like I said, these are going live on Sunday for that part of International Scrapbooking Weekend. So this is another one of the kits that will be going together. I do have a variety of kits, different themes that will be happening. I've got some that are just embellishments, and the cut file is missing out of here. There will also be a Scrapping Reflections cut file in there, but myself did not put it in here before I brought this up to film. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am looking forward to this. And if these kind of things like really interest you, we can start doing kits on the Scrapping Reflections website. They don't have to be this big. They don't have to be like full-on big kits. You can also do some little kits with little things. But anyway, we're gonna see how this goes over International Scrapbooking Weekend, and that's gonna do it for now. I'm gonna go shut up and hang out with my husband. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon for another video.